Hi boys and girls, welcome to this week's Rainbow Common Exception Words video. Here we go with our new tricky words. Our first word is certain. Can you find it? All of our words this week begin with C again. Can you find it? Well done, certain. The word certain is being sure of something. This little boy knows the answer. He's putting his hand up. He's certain. It sounds a bit like it should be an S at the beginning of the word, doesn't it? Certain. But it isn't, it's a C, so it's just one of those words you have to remember. Okay, certain. I can't see any words within words here, but we can see the certain. 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 Our next word is circle. Circle. Again begins with C but sounds like an S. Can you find it? Well done. Circle. A circle is a shape, isn't it? Sounds like S but is a K. Tricky spelling, isn't it? Circle. So we need circle. And it's not E-L, it's L-E. Our next word is complete. Complete. There it is, next to certain and circle. Now we've got a K sound at the beginning of our word. Complete. We can see the word, see the letters com, pl, eat. Mission accomplished. You have completed a task. Complete. It's not a hard K at the beginning, it's just a C. Our final rainbow word today is consider. Consider. There it is, all in a row, aren't they, this week? Consider. I am going to consider my options. I'm going to wonder whether I've made the right decision. Consider. You can sound this one out. Consider. And you can also see the word side inside this word. Consider. If you forget that E at the end. Let's see if you can spot the right word. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Which word says certain? Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Well done if you said number 2. The next word is circle. Which word says circle? Remember, it's not an S. Looks like curcle, doesn't it? Well done if you said number 3. Our next one says complete. Complete. Remember, it doesn't end with the T. Complete. Well done if you said number 4. Consider. Consider. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Pause the video and tell your adult at home. Well done if you said number 2. Consider. Keep practicing, boys and girls. You're going to get 10 out of 10 on your spelling test this week. Don't forget to leave me a like if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.